Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel, where we bring you the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got something sleek and stylish for you, the Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard. If you're in the market for a keyboard that combines functionality with a touch of elegance, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our reviews. Let's begin with an introduction to the Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard. This keyboard stands out with its stainless steel construction, which not only gives it a premium, heavy-duty feel but also ensures durability. Setting up the Arteck keyboard is a breeze. Simply insert the nano USB receiver into your computer, whether it's a desktop or laptop, and you're ready to go. No need for any additional drivers, it's true plug-and-play convenience. Now, let's talk about design. The stainless steel material used in the Arteck keyboard not only contributes to its durability but also lends it an elegant, modern look. The low-profile keys provide a comfortable typing experience, and they're designed to be quiet, making it perfect for office use or late-night typing sessions. Despite its slim and compact form factor, the Arteck keyboard offers a full-size typing experience. You'll find all the keys you need, including a number pad and arrow keys, right at your fingertips. It's a perfect balance between portability and functionality. Battery life is always a concern with wireless devices, but not with the Arteck keyboard. It features a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery with an industry-high capacity. On a single charge, it can last for an impressive 6 months, assuming you use it for around 2 hours each day. That's a lot of typing without worrying about constantly recharging. This keyboard is not just about typing, it's also about convenience. It comes equipped with Windows dedicated hotkeys that grant you quick access to common functions like adjusting volume levels, controlling playback, and even copy-pasting text. These shortcuts enhance your productivity and make everyday tasks a breeze. If you're a fan of quiet typing, you'll love the whisper quiet, low-profile keys on the Arteck keyboard. They're designed for comfort and ensure that your typing experience is disturbance-free. Plus, these scissors kick keys are built to withstand over 3 million keystrokes, so durability is not an issue. To sum it up, the Arteck 2.4G wireless keyboard offers an excellent blend of style, functionality, and convenience. Its stainless steel build, rechargeable battery, and quiet typing make it a top choice for both work and leisure. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful or if you're considering upgrading your keyboard, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.